Happy Monday. Today, we're gonna be doing some more work with math. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and you had a great first week of learning at home. So today, I'm gonna review a little bit from what we learned last week. Last week, we worked on tools we can use for addition. So now, we're gonna see if we can develop those skills and practice using these tools. So we worked with using our fingers, putting the biggest number in our calculator and counting on. We've also worked with using a 10 frame. You're going to see a little bit more of us using that too today. We talked about using tally marks, drawing a picture, which we're also going to use today, and using a number line. Let's see what we're going to be learning about this week. Number partners for 10. I didn't know numbers could have partners. Let's learn about this. We have a problem to solve and I need your help. So let's take a look at the problem. It says 10 spaceships return home. Some land on the blue mat and some land on the red mat. Oh, here's our mats, the blue one and the red one. What are 5 ways the spaceships could land? I noticed something. We have spaceships right here. So we're going to be able to use these as our picture to see how many can land on the blue mat and how many can land on the red mat to make 10. Let's try this out. First, let's underline the important information or circle the important information in our problem. So it says 10 spaceships return home. 10 must be our total. So we want to make 10. Some land on the blue mat. Some land on the red mat. What are 5 ways the spaceships could land? So I know I need to make 5 ways of how the spaceships could land. I'm going to start off easy. I know one spaceship could land on the blue mat. Now, a strategy I learned last week is that I can count on. I can put the 1 in my brain or in my calculator and count on. So try it with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made 10. Let's see how many landed on the red mat. So we have 1 on the blue mat, so let's write it over here. We have 1. And how many landed on the red mat? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 9 plus 1 makes 10, or 1 and 9 makes 10. Let's try another way. So I'm going to put all the rocket ships back over here. And I'm going to leave 5 out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if we have 5 on the red mat, I want to know how many land on the blue mat. Let's put 5 in our calculator and count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. So we have 5 on the red. And how many on the blue? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 make 10. Excellent work being math detectives. Let's see what happens if I move 1 of these over. How many spaceships are now on the blue mat? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put 6 on our calculator and see if we can count on and see if the red has 10 if we have 10 total rocket ships. So we have 6 in our calculator. Count on with me. 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know 6 and 4 also make 10. 6 and 4. I want to see if we can do the same thing and bring another over here. How many are on the blue mat now? So if these are 6 plus the 1 we just dragged over, 6 plus 1 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put 7 in our calculator and count on onto the red square. 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 in all. So 7 and 1, 2, 3 make 10. I want to see if you can solve another way all on your own. You could talk about this with your parent or another adult or even your sibling. So I want to see if you can find another way to make 10. Let's move on to our next slide. Ooh, we're going to have to show examples of the word total. I wonder what the word total means. Well, let's look at this example. We know in a number sentence, if we fill in the blanks with numbers, let's say 6 plus 4 equals 10. Does 6 plus 4 equal 10? Let's find out. You could use your fingers to count on. You could draw a picture. You could use a number line. You could use cubes if you have those at home. Let's use our fingers. So I know if I have 6, I want to count on to see if 6 plus 4 equals 10. So I have 6. Let's count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I put up these 4 fingers, so 6 plus 4 does equal 10. So that equal sign after the equal sign shows the total is 10. So the total is the number in all. We can also show the total using a 10 frame. So if I have 6 blue dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I will need how many yellow dots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is another way to show that our total or our answer to an addition problem is 10. Because let's count how many dots we have in all, or we have total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. We have, wrong marker. We have 10. How can we show 10 here? So we know in our part whole map, we want the biggest number in the top. So we have 10 here. We could have 4 here. And we know another way to show the other part is to write the other part in this box. So 4 plus what equals 10? We could check our examples. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So 4 plus 6 equals 10, meaning the total is 10. Another way we could show a total is using words. So we know 6 and 4 make 10. We could write a sentence. 6 and 4 make 10. Perfect, we got it right there. Those are all the different examples that we can show the total in an addition problem. Let's see what our next thing we have to solve is. Ooh, we got another word problem. Let's read it together. And then we can underline the important information or highlight the important information. It says Jasmine has a total of 10 fish. 2 fish are yellow and the rest are red. How many red fish does Jasmine have? Let's look at this first sentence. Jasmine has a total of 10 fish, so that's how many in all. The total of 10 fish. 2 fish are yellow. That's important to know. So 2 fish are yellow. The rest are red. How many red fish does Jasmine have? So we want to know how many red fish there are. It looks like we have a picture here to solve this problem. So how many yellow fish do we need for Jasmine? 2 fish are yellow and the rest are red. 2! Let's put 2 in the fish tank. 1, 2. So we have 2 yellow fish. I'm going to write the 2 up here. 2. How many red fish do we need? Does the problem tell us? 2 fish are yellow, the rest are red. It doesn't tell us how many red fish we need. So we need to be math detectives. We know that the total number of fish she has is how many? 10. So we need 10 fish in all. Why don't we put the number we do know in our calculator and count on? So we have 2 yellow fish. Put 2 in your calculator and count on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phew, we made it to 10. Let's count to see how many red fish there are. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8 make 10. Perfect. I'm going to double check and count all the fish all together to see if our total is 10. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We have 10 fish in all, or 10 fish total. I noticed that we could write this as a number sentence as well, or an addition problem. So 2 and 8 make 10. That and means we could replace it with an addition symbol. So let's bring down the numbers. 2 plus 8 equals 10. The 10 is the total. Nice work being math detectives. You should be very proud of yourself. You guys make great math detectives, and I can't wait to see what the work that we do tomorrow. I bet there's going to be more opportunities for you to be detectives and learn more about number partners for 10. Now, after you watch this video, I hope you watch it, you will be able to work on a page and practice this all by yourself, so you can be your own detectives without the help of Miss Hewes. Do you think you're ready for it? I bet you are. So today, you'll be working on page 96 in the packet that Miss Hewes sent home for you. So work on that, and you can let your parents know that they can email me or text me or call me if you guys have any questions. I hope you have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you soon. Bye.